Here.
Hey, Maya. You say hi?
Yeah. Hi. There are two there. Two in there. Yeah. Let's see now. We can find some more. Oh, I saw a small one here. Small one here. Big size here. Maya? There's a big one. See that big one? Yeah. And Matthew, there's a medium sized one here. Oh, medium size. Oh, how many do you have? We have lots of them. Do we have enough? I saw a small one here. A small one here, Matthew. Yeah. There's a mini one. Small one here. Yeah. Is that enough? Enough
Matthew.
for you?
Matthew, why are your pink? Why are your shoes pink?
Let's go to tennis.
There's a baby one here.
I am.
Oh, come out. You gotta get out. So you could pick up. There's a baby one here.
No.
Okay, I'll get one for you. I'll get one for you. Oh,
Matthew, what do you got there?